Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be the March Boxycharm unboxing. If you are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, which I highly recommend it, I will leave the link in the description box down below. It is $21.95 a month, I think. But again, I'll leave the link down below so you can go check it out if you want. So let's just jump right in to what's in this box. So the theme for this month is vacation, and it comes with a little coupon code for Butter London for 25% off. And this is the card that it comes with. And then the back is just everything that's in the box. And again, I saw some of the things on Instagram because they always do sneak peeks, and I am so excited because there's an eyeshadow palette in here that I cannot wait to get my hands on, and also a blush too, so I'm just so excited. Okay, so this is the box. I can't wait. Okay, so the first thing that I'm seeing is this mascara by Butter London, and it's called Double Decker Lashes Mascara. I love the name, it's super cute. I could get this out. Okay, so that's the wand. Looks like a normal mascara brush, but I always love trying new mascaras, so the next time I do my makeup I will definitely be trying this. And I didn't even know that Butter London made makeup. I thought it was only nail polishes. So now I'm even more excited to try this because I had no idea. Then we have a blush, and this is one of the sneak peeks. It is by Pretty Vulgar, and just look at this packaging. How pretty is that? And this color is beautiful. So I'm guessing the color of this is Hush Blush, and I just can't get over this packaging. It is so beautiful. Then we have some eye gel packs. They are by the brand South Main. So there's 3 packs and they just come in these little packets. So they are supposed to reduce puffiness, reduce dark circles, and moisturize the eye area. I love any kind of face mask or eye masks. Then we have some eye brushes. These are from the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and it is the Smokey Eye brush set. And the packaging is super cute. So these are just 3 different kinds of eye brushes. So that's what those look like. And then, okay, so it has step 1, step 2, and step 3. I don't know if you can see that, but that's really cute. These feel very soft. This one in particular looks like it'll be really good for the lower lash line to get really like close to the lashes. So very excited to try these out. And I know I say I'm excited to try everything, but that's the truth. I really do just get so excited to try new products, new makeup, everything. I'm sorry. And then for the eye palette, I am so excited about this. So this is a collaboration that they did with Pure Cosmetics. So that's the packaging. I feel like I'm gonna blind you with that, but it's just a white packaging, and then it has little like hearts on it that you can barely see, but it is super cute. Okay, so it comes with a mirror, but these are the colors. How beautiful is this? These are like the perfect bright eyeshadow colors for spring and summer. There's lots of shimmers in here. So I cannot wait to play around with these. I want to swipe this blue one. Like, oh my gosh. I don't know if I could pull that off, but it'll be a lot of fun to experiment with. Okay, so that was everything that was in the box. Once again, I love everything, and I really just love the fact that they always give you full-sized products, and now like full eyeshadow palettes with 12 eyeshadows. Like for $20 a month you get all of this. It's crazy to me. Okay, so that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.